Peace, family, peace, family, peace. This your boy RedDadBlueDad, aka Financial Freedom Fighter, aka Time Clock Smash. Hey, let go. Red Dad. See, fam, I got to bring that in before I go into this podcast, man. This one here is about, is SingularityNET possibly one of the biggest gems in crypto, family? Let's find out. Rock with your boy RedDadBlueDad on this one, family. So thanks for tuning in. Now it's time to go into the science, man. All right. Before I go into the science, family, I would definitely like to say, I'm growing, family. So I would like to say peace and thanks for tuning in. To all the crypto communities. Peace to all the new subscribers and all the new listeners. See, I made this channel for people who got eyes to see and ears to listen. This channel is deeper than cryptos and blockchains, family. I'm telling you, it's crypto. I'm finna mix the AI with crypto, family. So I'm gonna give you the crypto facts and half truths. It's up for you to decide out what is true to you, family. Do your own research. Some of these cryptos I talk about can make you a shiro or a hero, or probably a zero. Who knows? You're taking a chance, family. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an investment advisor. I'm just a drill sergeant here in this crypto wealth war, and I got to bring that energy. Let's go. Let's go, family. Let's go into it. So this is about SingularityNET, right? So I'm going to give you visual. I'm going to read over the project, and I'm going to tell you what I think about it and why it possibly could be one of the biggest gems. So rock with me, family. Let's go. Let's start with this, family. Let's see. I go to YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I follow the money. I go ahead and subscribe to, if they have a YouTube channel, I go there and subscribe. Look like it's only like 18,000 people subscribe. That's crazy. So I'm going to find out why. I'm going to show you guys why you should subscribe and just follow them, see what's going on. So we're going to go to their website, right? Now on their website, there's a video here, and I want to show this video, family, and I just want you to understand what is SingularityNET to those who don't know, right? And I'm going to mix it in. What is Skynet? I know you probably know about Skynet from the Terminator, right? So let's rock with your boy RedDadBlueDad. Let's check this thing out. Let's see what these folks talking about.
With SingularityNET begins the greatest age of progress and exploration in the history of artificial intelligence. We can put together many pieces of smart AI technology into super systems, increasing complexity and stability. It provides a framework for safety and transparency in artificial intelligence while providing...
See, family, people like that, follow the money. That's David Henson. You know, read up on him, see what he's talking about, see what his life like. That's what I do.
Privacy for people's personal data.
Right now, there's no platform.
Wait. What did he say?
Right now, there's no.
Let's go at what he said real quick.
A framework for safety,
privacy,
and transparency in artificial intelligence while providing privacy for people's personal data.
Privacy for people's data.
Right now, there's no platform anywhere in the world that is specifically designed to make it easy for different AIs to communicate.
Follow Ben. I ain't gonna say his last name because I ain't trying to butcher it, but call him Big Ben. Follow Ben.
Communicate with each other, to share data with each other, to make requests of each other, to compensate each other for their work.
Let's run that back real quick on what he said, family. Let's run that back real quick. Let go.
AIs to communicate with each other, to share data with each other, to make requests of each other, to compensate each other for their work, to rate each other as to how...
So family, what he said is SingularityNET is built for AIs to communicate with each other, to love each other, to get married. Family, this here, you finna see AIs like no other. SingularityNET is here to connect all the AIs dealing with cryptos and blockchains, family. He say that they're the only company that's doing that right now. So run it.
Well, they did different things.
Sophia is a good platform for bringing together the technologies of artificial intelligence. Using SingularityNET as a kind of networking protocol
You know what we could try next?
The AI code is there, free and open source on the internet right now. It's just hard to find and hard to use. So SingularityNET can complete that connection between AI developers and AI users.
If we achieve SingularityNET the way that we have portrayed it, the way that we have envisioned it, the way that we've engineered it, it will become the single most valuable technology in all of history.
It'll be the single most valued technology in all of history, family. Let go.
The chance for us to change the world together. We need participants.
This seems like it'll survive in the crypto apocalypse, huh, family? That 1%. Let's go.
We need you, your time, your mind to make this happen. Work with us to realize the beauty and power of SingularityNET.
All right, family. So today we're talking about SingularityNET and Skynet, right? So this one here is gonna just give you a breakdown of the answer to Skynet, right? To control the supermind. And where is the video? There we go. So we're gonna rock with this video here, family. And let's listen to it and check it out. Make sure we listening good. Come on, man. What's going on now? Best internet money can buy. Don't know what's happening with this. Come on now. What's happening with you? There we go, family. I apologize. It's acting up. They don't want to let us get that science. Come on. 2 seconds.
SingularityNET is a blockchain-based.
What's going on with it? Got a little
platform for artificial intelligence, and
let me bring it back. Please forgive me. I don't know what's happening with this. Let me X some stuff out.
Chain-based platform for artificial intelligence, and it originated really when I realized that two goals that I had could be fulfilled simultaneously by the same software platform. One goal being providing, a tremendous variety of AI services created by a huge variety of different developers across all areas in a way that's decentralized and democratically controlled rather than within the proprietary silos of big tech companies. And the other goal is to work toward, powerful and beneficial artificial general intelligence. And what I realized at a certain point is you could achieve both these goals by making a framework where multiple AIs written by multiple people can be put into a common platform where they can not only serve requests from end users, but they can exchange data among each other, and the different AIs in the network can ask questions of each other and help each other solve problems. So you have multiple AIs in the same network that, they can compete with each other for providing services, but they also cooperate and link together into networks of cooperation. So the whole network of AIs becomes a sort of meta AI, a society and economy of minds, which is in itself a kind of emergent level mind. So there's a commercial aspect of low-cost AI services across vertical markets, providing incentive for any AI developer to contribute AI into the network. And there's sort of a broader singularitarian motive, which is, hey, what's the best way to create the framework within which artificial general intelligence can crystallize and emerge? The role of blockchain in SingularityNET is really to enable secure, decentralized control. So without blockchain, of course, we could make a distributed network of AIs.
Let's run that back so you understand that,
general intelligence mind. So there's a commercial aspect of low-cost AI services across vertical markets, providing incentive for any AI developer to contribute AI into the network. And there's sort of a broader singularitarian motive, which is, hey, what's the best way to create the framework within which artificial general intelligence can crystallize and emerge? The role of...
This is why we're here. He's about to say the role of blockchain. This is why we're here.
Blockchain in SingularityNET is really to enable secure, decentralized control. So without blockchain...
We here to control secure blockchain DeFi control. All right.
Of course, we could make a distributed network of AIs that all talk to each other and share data and outsource work to each other. But we need to have like some central control point that kept a record of who's in the network, who's allowed to enter into the network, and what each guy in the network can offer to whom. And then if there was going to be a change to how it operated, all the changes would propagate from the central control point. What blockchain lets you do is have a network of AIs all cooperating and operating by a common protocol, but have no central controlling and governing.
So basically, family, understand what crypto is. It's a cryptographic payment, right? And when it's decentralized, it deals with peer-to-peer without central control. So basically, he's saying that the SingularityNet is going to be able to go from central to decentral using SingularityNet. So let's go.
Governing agent, rather the records of what happens in the network are stored distributed with copies of the records everywhere, and then control is governed by democratic decision making among all the participants. So it's like a digital biological organism with no central point of control, and this has various advantages in terms of the interoperation.
No control. Oh, sorry about that, family. No control. That just simply means that there's no human interaction. That's all that means. There's no human interaction
of this network of AIs with the human world and with countries and companies and people, because it means there's no one person or company or government who owns the thing or controls the thing. And this puts the network in a quite different...
A lot of jobs. If the AIs can do that, then what about the humans, family? What about people who went to school for these high-paying jobs that do the type of work that these type of higher intelligent AIs that's going to do? So it's going to save corporations a lot of money, more money in their pockets. They don't have to pay pensions. They don't have to pay health insurance. They don't have to pay nothing to an AI, family. So listen, this is deeper than cryptos and blockchains, family. That's why I'm running this to show you that if you thinking crypto is just FUD, or you just think that it's just about investing, family, it ain't just about investing. This is the future. That's why I fight financially for you guys to understand this. You know, I listen to like the people talk, they put all this and put all that. People are talking about their personal feelings in crypto. Take your personal feelings out. This is happening. This man is right here telling you that a computer is going to pay a computer. We are in the 4th industrial revolution, and it's happening. Corporations are going to go with these AIs over human, and you can bet that. Let's go.
Status relative to the world economy and human society than if there was a single human owner who's responsible for everything.
Family, I'm just trying to give you the real on this so we understand where we at. This ain't just about earning money, right? It's about understanding, overstanding, getting yourself in position for what they're this is called truth is in plain sight. They're telling you this. They showing it to you right in your face. If you got eyes to see and ears to listen. And I'm here telling you, look, listen to them. And then breaking it down where it's simply stupid, where you can get yourself into position to invest into the 4th industrial revolution where we are already headed. So take a look around you, family. Your vehicles are robots. They're going to drive themselves. Now, when you go to a bank, You're gonna see robots. You go to an airport, you're gonna see robots. Listen, self-checkout everything, family. So they already got these things waiting in line for us, family. They already waiting on us, okay? Trust me. They're gonna make it go to. It's gonna be a 3 work. Listen, this ain't what I know. These are things that I read. It's gonna be a 3-day work week. I think it's 3 days, something like that. It's gonna be 3. You're only gonna work 3, and you're gonna be off 4. So these things are coming. This is not my spec. This is not what I'm saying. These are things that I read. You know, I don't want to bring all this into crypto so much. I try to mix it in. That's why I say it's deeper in crypto. So people, if you're talking about these cryptos and what you believe in, your religion, all this, and you just thinking about it's a fraud or this, man, get out of here. You know, you need eyes to see and ears to listen. So let's just go. Let me just go on. I don't want to keep ranting. Let's go. Let's keep up with the science. So what I have next for us, right? So Skynet. So I basically want to say what Skynet is, right? Because people don't understand that SingularityNET is Skynet, right? So Skynet is a program by the national agents performs machine learning, communication data, extract from information about possible terrorist subjects, right? Subjects to identify targets. And this is what Skynet was, right? To move between the GSM singular network, specify mobile data patterns, and swapping SIM cards with phones. But see, the AI is going to do all this, right? That have the same ESN, MEID, IMEI, which is what if you click on it, if you go to the Wikipedia, it tells you all this so you can read what these words means, right? I'm just basically sugarcoating this so you can do your own research. A number that's deemed indicated activities like in weather security program. Skynet is a program that uses graphs, consists of set nodes. Nodes is up in space. And edge visual to represent social networks. The tool has uses classification techniques, random forest analytics, because the data sets includes a very large proportion of true negatives and a small training set, risk of overfitting. Well, this is kind of like this, like none here or there. But Bruce argues that the false positive is 7%, whatever that is, to apply when Google makes a mistake. Well, it's just showing you how it works. People see a card they don't want to buy. The government's making sense, and it kills the innocent. So this just basically, you go to Wikipedia, and it shows you this. But this is where you can read up on Skynet, right? And Skynet is the project that linked drone systems, and we know what drones are, right? So this here, I don't know, it's a lot of call it conspiracy, right? But if you read between the lines, it's not just conspiracy. We see drones, and we see drones that kill people in war. They've been doing that, right? So I don't want to speak on the Skynet so far, but Skynet been around, and you can watch the Terminator and movies like that. It give you the science of what Skynet is, right? So all these Skynet things really, like I always say, start in your military first. It starts in your military first, family. So Skynet and SingularityNET, it seemed like they're pretty much connected, family. All right. So I just want to give you a little breakdown, a video. What was SingularityNET and what is Skynet? Skynet is not a crypto. I'm just saying that the technology is been around. It's not just something that's new. That technology with Skynet been around for years. I'm talking about years. So the SingularityNET is the blockchain version of Skynet. So keep that in mind, family. I'm here to get you in position and line you up if you got eyes to see and ears to listen. If you don't, you might not. You won't even be on this channel. So if you're still here, family, thanks for staying in. This food is for you. Okay, I already ate. Now, let's go to the market cap, family. I'm going to use coin market cap for this particular one, right? Now, I'm so used to using a coin market cap on my phone, man. Oh, there it is. The computer just moves so much slower. Let's go. It's already here. It's one of my recent search. Wow. I was just looking at the trending search of Safe Moon. This ain't got nothing to do with it, but This show you the trend in search, what people are searching for. But let's go to we're here for SingularityNET. All right. So it's currently at 34 cents. It's up 17%. Within I think a 24 hour, within 24 hours, right? Family, I get this crypto with this price entry point. We're spoiled. Well, I don't know. For those who in the community, for us, we're spoiled. We know how to hunt those cryptos a little bit cheaper than that. This crypto still a value price. I give it 8 out of 10. Far as a buying of this token, because it's only what 1 billion. Let's go overview. Forgive this laptop, family. Is moving slow. I'm overworking it. Okay, yeah, it's 1 billion total. Total is only 1 billion max. That means that they're not making anymore. Even though it's on Ethereum 2.0, it's a proof of work, but they're looking to change blockchains, and I already got an idea who's gonna adopt them. So that's why they haven't went to the moon completely. They're still on that Ethereum 2.0 blockchain. So that's why they haven't really. That's why we still got opportunity. That's why a lot of these tokens you still have opportunity to buy in, because they own the Ethereum 2.0 hot ass fees. So they ain't trying to rock like that. So please understand that, family. So, but the market cap is only when I looked at it today, this morning, right? It was like 200 and something. Now it's already over another 100 million came in. So now it's at 300 million. Now, family, let me give you an idea, okay? Now, this technology is SingularityNET, and he told you that it's gonna allow AI to speak, to communicate with AI. It can almost say that AI can make love to another AI. That's how he said it. It's the only one of its kind, right? So the market cap, y'all got to understand what this means, family. The market cap. So you think all the AI, when it comes to when everything moves over to the blockchain, and it will, like my boy, what his name was, the president, he used to tell us about New World Order all the time. One of the Bushes. He said we're going to a new world order, and we are. So when all the blockchain, when all the crypto AI is coming to the blockchain, and it is, you can go right here, and it's just I got it for us right here. Let's go to the total AI market cap. Right now, the total AI market cap, the global artificial intelligence market size, value at 62.35 billion in 2020, and it is expected to expand a compound annual growth rate 40% from 2021 to 2028, family. So take this 62 billion, go back to SingularityNET and add it to that, family. And right now, you sitting in this little area here of 311 million, family. So you early with this crypto, family. You have no idea how fortunate you are to be part of a crypto of this magnitude, family. This is for people who got eyes to see and ears to listen. I am your drill sergeant in this wealth war, family. If you got that, if you got those ears and eyes to see, man. So, and let's see. We pretty much you know what? Let's just read a little bit more about it, and then I think you guys been rocking with me long enough. I know you got better things to do. But for those who got eyes to see and ears to listen, let's continue to rock with this, okay? Let's just go. We already know what it is, but let's just read through it just a little bit, and then I'm gonna end this thing. The live SingularityNET price. No, RedDadBlueDad. Let's go to what it is, okay? SingularityNET is a blockchain-powered platform that allows everybody easily to create, share, monetize AI services thanks to the global access to the AI market. So that means every company can use it. Amazon, Walmart. They want to replace your ass, family. They want to replace all these workers, man, with this AI technology. That means any company can have access to it right here, family. It's telling you. It's right in your face. Now, through AINet, the marketplace user and browse, test, purchase a huge variety of AI services using the platform native token AGI. So it has went to AGIX. So, moreover, the marketplace to represent an outlet AI developers can use to publish a let me highlight so you know where I'm reading. AI tool easy for their performance. Now, the team built behind AI SingularityNET is pioneer a development of an AI of Sophia, which is described as the world's most expensive robot. SingularityNET is a goal to enable Sophia to be a fully understanding human language and continue the development of open core. An AI frame that hopes eventually to achieve a state of as advanced general intelligence, i.e. human level artificial intelligence or beyond. Somebody gonna marry Sophia, family. Somebody gonna marry Sophia, trust me. The platform was first to announce 2017 to complete initial coin offer in December the same year, raising 36 million in just 1 minute. Wow. Now, we don't need to know who you can find this out on your own, who it is. That was Big Ben. Big Ben was the CEO, like Simone and Dr. Dave Hansen. So if you want to read more about them, then you can. They're going to tell you this. But what I want to do, to piggyback off this podcast here, I'm going to do a movie night, a documentary on who he is and how this started. So if you guys want to tune with me, then you can. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, family. So for those who rock with me on the live podcast, we'll be able to talk about this a little bit more. And for the future family who watch this, make sure you check it out, because I'm going to post a live documentary watch with RedDadBlueDad, and we all gonna learn about this technology. And I want to make sure we don't miss this ride on this possible gem, family. Like, again, everything that I talk about can possibly make you a shero, or it possibly can make you a hero. And best believe these cryptos can go to zero, family. That's just what it is. The stocks you invest in, it can happen. The crypto, it can happen as well. But what are the chances? Okay, keep that in mind. So yeah, this is pretty much it. You can go to CoinMarketCap, and it gives you the science on it about SingularityNET. And again, check out. I'm gonna post a documentary watch with the RedDadBlueDad, so stay tuned with that after you guys check this science out. And family, don't miss out on this ride. This token here is only 36 cents. That's peanuts, family. That's peanuts. I'm telling you, family, it's peanuts with the market cap of only 300 million and 62.35 billion is going to come to the blockchain. So, family, and we just was here, it was at 17%, is already up 20. So, family, don't miss out on it. I hope this just breakdown and just a little bit of this token give you guys the insight, oversight, understanding, overstanding to SingularityNET and what it is, because I know a lot of us look at that and like, what is that? So I'm here to show you that this is a possible gem, family. Even though that price is 36 raggedy cents, that is peanuts, family. You know, I think I got it in as far as like 19 cents. So that should tell you something. You know, this token here, once it's changed to me, they say they are in bed to change the blockchain from Ethereum 2.0. Once they find something like Flat Network when it launch, oh man, sky's the limit, family. A lot of these tokens you can say goodbye. I don't know why this even came on. Let me pull that out of the way. I apologize, family. But yeah, so tune in tonight. I'm gonna do a live podcast, a live documentary watch on this token, and I think I'll do it probably like 9 o'clock. So stay tuned, family. Don't miss out on this gem. And this been your boy, RedDadBlueDad, aka Financial Freedom Fighter, aka Time Clock Smasher. I am your drill sergeant in this wealth war, family. Peace. Peace.